Welcome to page 7 of your scale drawing packet. We are going to continue to convert actual dimensions to drawing dimensions. On this page, we are going to be calculating the area of triangles. Let's take a look at what we've been given in problem number 3. It states, for every 2 centimeters on paper, it's equivalent to 7 meters in the real world. Step 1, let's jot down our scale factor. And step 2, let's calculate the rate for this particular problem. 7 meters divided by 2 centimeters means we're working at a rate of 3.5. Let's continue to read. The actual triangle has a base of 21 meters and a height of 14 meters. Convert each dimension to a drawing size in centimeters and find the area of the triangle in the drawing. Well, we're going to need to convert, so we're going to use our table. So in step 3, we set up a table. X stands for centimeters, Y stands for meters, and of course, we're working backwards in our table, so we're going to be dividing by the rate 3.5. So, sketch, in step 4, a quick triangle. Our triangle has a base of 21 meters and a perpendicular height of 14 meters. We're going to take each one of those dimensions, and remember, they're meter dimensions, so they should go in the meters column, and we're going to divide by 3.5 and convert them to their centimeter measurements. In this case, 21 divided by 3.5 is 6 centimeters, and 14 divided by 3.5 is 4 centimeters. So, we know that this is 6 centimeters in the drawing, and the height is 4 centimeters in our drawing. Now we're going to use the area formula for a triangle, which is area equals base times height divided by 2. Let's substitute in 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters divided by 2. Well, we know 6 times 4 is 24, and we're still required to divide by 2. 24 divided by 2 gives us a total area of 12 square centimeters, or 12 centimeters squared. Remember, those square units are used to cover that flat surface inside the triangle. That's how we take the measurement. Now, you're going to complete problems 4 and 5 in the same way that you just completed this problem. Pause the video if you need to take notes. But step 1, record your scale factor. Step 2, calculate the rate for the table. Step 3, set up your table and convert your dimensions. Step 4, draw a picture of your triangle and label it. And finally, in step 5, you're going to calculate the area of the triangle. Let's take a look at the last 2 problems on this page. In problem 4, the scale factor is 2 centimeters equals 5 meters. An actual triangle has a base of 4.75 meters and a height of 25 meters. Convert each dimension to a drawing size and find the area of the drawing. Problem 4 is completed just like problem 3, so use your notes from problem 3 to work through problem 4. And in problem 5, the scale factor states 2 centimeters equals 9 meters. The actual triangle has a base of 99 meters and a height of 68.4 meters. Convert each dimension to a drawing size in centimeters and find the area of the triangle in the drawing. Once again, this is completed just like problem number 3. Use your notes from problem number 3 to complete problems 4 and problems 5. When you're done, you can check your work against the answer keys that have been posted. Pause the video, complete your work in your spiral notebook or on your worksheet, and then compare your work to the answer key. This concludes page 7.